Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. And this is the first time tuning onto the channel. I'm by name Ikeria Obidike, and I would like it if you hit on that subscribe button. Join us in the family. We do have good time here on this channel, guys. So today I created this natural, no makeup look, no foundation. If you want to see how I ended up with this, then you should keep watching. Keep watching.
So I'm starting off with the primer. I'm applying it all over my face and I'm tapping it onto my skin. I'm using an eye pencil to fill in my brows, using a light strokes to look natural. I'm using this spoolie to brush my brows into place and then shape my upper part of my brows into a perfect shape to look more natural. I'm using this concealer that is closer to my skin tone to shape in my brows. I'm scooping my brows, the lower part of my brows. So I'm blending the concealer onto my skin because I don't want harsh lines or anything since I'm going for a natural look. So I'm shaping in the upper part of my brows with the remaining of the concealers on the brush. So I'm going in with the concealer that is a shade lighter than my skin. I'm applying it to areas that I need to highlight. So I'm going in with this damp beauty blender to blend in the concealer onto my skin. So I went in with the excess in the beauty blender to conceal areas around my chin, around my mouth areas, and then my forehead. So I'll be using this brush to set in areas that I highlighted using this translucent powder. So I'm dusting off the excess powder on my face. Using the remaining powder on the brush, I went over to set in areas I did not highlight. So I'm using a cream contour to contour my cheekbones areas. I'll be using this small brush to contour my nose. So right now I'm applying this powder to my face, to the place I highlighted, and all over my face as well, to make it, to blend everything together. So right now I'm applying cream brush to my cheeks to add some color to the makeup. So I'm using this highlighter on areas on top of my cheekbones to make it pop. Using this small brush, I went in to apply onto my nose, tip of my nose, as well as the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm using this eyeliner to line my eyes as close to my eyelashes. I went in to line the inner corner of my eyes as well as my under eye. So I went in to use this mascara on my eyelashes. Since the natural look, since I'm not going with any lashes. So I'm using this lip pencil to line my lips. So I went in with this lip gloss since I'm going for a natural look. So I'm just applying lip gloss to my lips. And I blended everything and it was already looking perfect. Everything was giving. So I went in with the spray, after makeup spray, to spray it on, to fix all the makeup, to make everything look seamless and flawless. And guys, this was the after look of the makeup. It was so giving. I was feeling myself. Honestly, this is a makeup you can go to anywhere. It won't disappoint you. This is an easy thing. Thank you for watching.